Hi everyone. This video is amazing, because I'm going to teach you a strategy that will be incredibly profitable. As you can see, I had 5 profitable trades in less than one day. Watch this video to the end to tell you all the tips for this strategy. If you are ready, let's go. You can select the time frame from 1 minute to daily. My suggestion is 5 minutes. The first thing we need to do is change the candlesticks to Heikin-Ashi. Now it's time to add the necessary indicators to the chart. The first indicator is the ADX and DI histogram. Make sure you choose correctly. From the settings section, apply the same settings as I did. Change all green colors to one green color and all red colors to one red color. Deselect DI line and ADX checkboxes. We do not need them. This is a profitable strategy, just follow the steps carefully. Now it's time to add one of the most useful indicators to the chart that many of you may not have used before. The name of this indicator is SSL Hybrid. Now we go to the indicator settings and uncheck all the checkboxes. We only leave the bar color checkbox in the selected state. We only need this. If you did all the steps correctly, your chart would look like this. Now it's time to tell you how to trade. There must be 2 conditions to enter the trade. I will explain the buy position to you first and then the sell position. Watch carefully until the end to learn all the points. To enter the buy position, the histogram must be changed from red to green. When the histogram changes from red to green, we look at the chart candlesticks. If the current candlestick color was blue and does not have lower shadow, we can enter the buy position. Our entry point is where this candle is closed. We put the stop loss a few pips below this candle and set the take profit 1.5 times the stop loss. As you can see, in just half an hour, our deal closed with a profit and we received a profit 1.5 times the risk we took. Now I will tell you how to enter the sell position so that you can make a profit even when the market is falling. But before that, I ask you to subscribe to the channel if you are interested in learning profitable trading strategies, because I teach you a new strategy every week that may be what you have been looking for. To enter the sell position, the histogram must change from green to red. When the histogram changes from green to red, we look at the candlesticks of the chart. If the current candle was red and had no higher shadow, we can enter the sell position. Our entry point is where this candlestick is closed. We put the stop loss a few pips higher than this candlestick and set the take profit 1.5 times the stop loss. Now let's do a few more trades together to learn better this strategy. I ask you to follow the examples carefully. This trade closes with a loss. But more than 9 out of 10 trades in this strategy are closed with a profit. As you can see, this strategy gives us a new trading position a few minutes later, which compensates for the previous loss, and we also earn extra profit. If you like this strategy, please like the video to support my channel. In next week's video, I'm waiting for you with a new strategy. Goodbye for now.